Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So I have to be a little bit quiet because the peanut gallery is in the other room watching a movie. Today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a styling service. It's online. You are paired with a stylist. You pay them $20 styling fee. They'll curate a box of 5 items for you. Send back what you don't want, keep what you do, keep all 5, you get 25% off. Never happens to me. My stylist is my friend Shannon from Shannon Style. I happened to know when I requested this box that she was away, and when I got my preview, I'm going to assume my preview was all AI generated, and I picked all 5 items for my preview. I was granted the style pass. I guess I buy enough that makes them worthwhile. If you are not getting good fixes, my recommendation is to add as many things to your saved items list as possible. That's what I do. And then between the AI and my stylist, they just pick right from my saved items list. So it's a no-brainer for me. There's usually almost things in my, in the preview that I want. And this time there were all 5. So let's go through each of them, all right? The first thing I'm going to show you is this sweater. Now, this sweater intrigued me and I wanted to try it on, but now that I have it on, I do not like it. This sweater is by Vigoss. It's called the Varsity Bomber, right? And it is a bomber style and a varsity style. So it's black and like an off-white or ivory, and these are gold buttons. They're definitely buttons. I have it buttoned all the way up at the top. I don't like the style. I do have a little bit of gapitosis here. You can see that. It's also too short. You can see that. And even also too short here in the arms. It's just overall too small for me, which is highly unusual because I am only 5'2", and this is an extra small. This sweater is $69. And like I said, it's a bomber style, but it's definitely a sweater material. And the material, I'll read it to you right here, is not my favorite combination, I can tell you that much. 50% acrylic, 28% polyester, and 22% nylon. So this is an easy, I'm sending it back, okay? The bottoms. These, it's kind of funny. I selected this for my preview before I purchased the olive ones from Nordstrom. So these are a pair of olive pants. They're a crop style. They're by Liverpool. They're the cargo crop wide leg, size 0, $98. Now, they're adorable. I like them, but I am not going to keep them because I just got the olive pair. I still have my level 99 joggers. I have a lighter washed, lighter color Liverpool and a lighter green that are chino style. And then I have the new ones that I just bought by Sanctuary that are a wide leg. So I don't need these two. Plus for winter, I don't want this crop style so much. Yeah, I can wear it with boots, but I think for winter, I would want like a full length pant. So yeah, these are going back. Really cute, adorable, like them a lot, but I just simply can't justify them, especially for $98. Now, on my feet are a pair of shoes. They're by Franco Sarto. They're the Teagan leather flat in burgundy, size 7, $120. Now I asked for burgundy shoes, and they sent me 2 in my preview, and I selected them both. But then after I did that, I'm like, why did I ask for burgundy shoes? I have a pair of burgundy loafers. I really don't, and I have a pair of like deep red, almost burgundy boots. Like, I don't need another pair of burgundy shoes. So both the shoes are going back, but I do have to say these are extremely comfortable. I'll show you a close-up of them. And they're definitely a flat, they're definitely a slingback. Hold on, and I'll show you up close so you can see them. They fit beautifully on my feet. So it's like a dark red, I would say, almost like a burgundy. I'll compare them with the other pair of shoes. So they're a sling back. They have like a little opening here that doesn't bother me, completely sling back. So something like these, I would only be able to wear in the fall and the spring because of the climate that I live in. And because they're burgundy, that's not gonna happen that much, right? So for that, these are going back. They're a very lovely shoe. I believe that they are leather. They feel like leather. They don't say, but I believe they are. Wait. Yes, leather upper balance man made in Vietnam. And they're the Teagan leather flat for 120, and they're in this nice reddish color. All right. Really, really recommend these if you're looking for something like this. But I cannot justify them. They're very, very comfortable. Okay, the next thing that they sent me, which is absolutely adorable, is this little purse. And again, I picked all these things out. This is the Mellie and Lili woven twist held handbag in Camel for $68. It is small. I'll hold it up to me so you can see. But these are the types of size of bags that I'm wearing now. I'm gonna just put my wallet and phone in this to make sure they fit and I can zip it up, okay? And if I can, this will be a keeper because this is just too cute. Can't pass this one up. And I've been looking and I've seen things on Amazon and everything, but this is I know it's vegan leather, but this is a very, very nice quality vegan leather. And I wouldn't know it was vegan unless you told me, okay? So that's this. Now, the last thing that they sent me are these Dolce Vita. Again, now I asked for 2 pairs of shoes. So I got 2 pairs of shoes, a purse, the sweater, and the pants. These shoes are DV by Dolce Vita. So that's their lower end. It's not as expensive as Dolce Vita. The Mellie Ballet flat in Burgundy, size 7, my normal size, for $50. So not a bad price. I haven't tried these on yet, but I wanted to compare the 2 color burgundies together. All right, you see how these are almost like a deep red, and this is almost closer to a brown. So you understand there's varying degrees of color in burgundies. So give me a minute while I try on these shoes, and I'll give you a side-by-side comparison if you guys are interested in a pair of burgundy shoes. Okay, I have the shoes on, and here's my side-by-side comparison. The $120 shoes are definitely a better made shoe. They're definitely more cushy. However, if you are looking to go in the burgundy trend, and if you are looking for a shoe that's gonna go with more, get the cheaper Dolce Vita pair, because they're closer to a brown than they are with a burgundy. If you don't care about the color, or maybe you want more of a pop of color, I would say go with these. And the Dolce Vita ones, because they're Mary Jane style, more of your foot is covered, so you might be able to get away with them a little bit longer. So I'll stand back so you can see what it looks like on my foot. Okay, so here it is. It's just, like I said, a Mary Jane style. It has a buckle. There is cushioning on this, but there's definitely way more cushioning on the Teagan flat. And that is my fix, which I think is a pretty good fix. I think I'm gonna keep the purse and nothing else, because I've been wanting a woven purse for a while, ever since the Bottega Veneta came out, and man, it's cute. I mean, there was a clear V that I had my eye on for a while, forever, even $300 and something was still too expensive. So I know it's kind of trendy, but I really kind of like it, and I think I really want it. So I'm going to basically see if my stuff fits in there, and if it does, it will be a keeper. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me that thumbs up. Take care. Till next time.